Hey guys, so welcome back to another episode of Mega Productions. Today we'll be going on Scratch, and you're gonna check out this guy's games. So if you have a Scratch account, be sure to follow JTN5. He's real nice, and make sure to follow all of these people. Yes. Um. I don't know what's going on with the live stream, but we had technical difficulties, so I'm sorry about that. So, everybody, go on this game and click that favorite and love this project, and be told to see all of these other projects, and Teletubbies are the best. Yeah. So check out Math is the Best and the BB Swarm. BBB Swarm. And yeah, this is fun. Oh my god. Okay, so I hope you all enjoyed this video. Sorry about the very short upload, so this is just that I have to go to piano class. No. I have to go to swimming, and I hope you all enjoyed. Bye.